adjective. The feelings are adjective. I'm feeling sad. Sad is adjective. Happy is adjective. Angry is adjective. Colors are adjective. I am wearing a blue jacket. Blue is the adjective here. You can use two adjectives on the same sentence. I am wearing a beautiful or a warm blue jacket. Blue and warm, both of them are the adjectives. So, adjectives are the words that are used to describe or to describe the noun. Let's see here. Today, adjectives and articles. Adjective is a word describe a person, a place, or thing. The adjectives tell more about the noun. Sam painted a beautiful painting. Painting is a noun here. So what describes the painting? Beautiful. So beautiful here is an adjective. Here are the meaning of noun. Noun could be a person, like mother, doctor, friend, nurse, or a teacher. Could be a thing, like book, cup, hat, apple, car. Could be a place, like a zoo, a school, park, or home, or whatsoever. So a noun could be a person, a thing, or a place. An adjective is the word that we use to describe this noun. I'll show you now a small video to describe the adjectives better. Tall is an adjective. Fairy is the adjective. Now, we may, for example, if I want to give another adjective for this woman, I can say, this is a beautiful woman. This is what? A tall, little bit tall woman. Okay, this is a nice woman. I can use so many words to describe one person, not only one word, okay, or only one adjective. I can as well use more than one adjective on the sentence. This is a friendly, nice woman. Friendly and nice are, both of them are adjectives. I can have them both on the same sentence. She is wearing a white shirt. White here is the adjective. Colors are also adjectives. Okay, now, says I cannot hear you. I want you by yourself to use, you can see these two cats. Numbers are adjectives as well. I can say, I can see two cats. Two is the adjective here. Numbers are being used as adjective because they are describing how many things do we see. We see two cats, so I can see two cats. Now on the chat, I want you to give me an example of adjectives. Adjective that you can use to describe these two cats. Okay, good. Burhan, excellent. You can describe their colors as well. Yalla, I'm waiting for answers on the chat. Yellow, blue. Are they blue, ya Rawal? Big cats, small cats. Beautiful, two cats. Excellent. Good cats. Excellent. See, you can use 1,000 of words to describe only one thing. Let's continue. Lovely. Excellent, Uday. Now you will see. So on this sentence, we have 4 adjectives. Write them for me on the chat, please. The little boy was sad because he lost his new bouncy basketball. We have 4 adjectives on this sentence. Sad, okay. Sad is an adjective. Bouncy is an adjective, yes. You know what bouncy means? That when you, like a basketball, when you drip it on the floor, it keeps bouncing, goes up and down. Tall. No, we do not have tall on this sentence. Here on this sentence. The little boy was sad because he lost his new bouncy basketball. We have 4 adjectives on this sentence. Yalla, I'm waiting for your answer. Sad, excellent. Little, excellent. Bouncy, excellent. Ali, Sanad, Ahmed, Layan, and Tala, and Judy Khalil, excellent. Rama, excellent. Mila, excellent. Okay. Let's see the 4 adjectives now. See, here we have 2 adjectives that described the boy and 2 adjectives, little and sad, describe the boy, new and bouncy describe the ball. So we can have more than 1 adjective on the same sentence to describe more than 1 noun. Here we have 2 nouns, which is the boy and the basketball. They use 2 words to describe the boy and 2 words or 2 adjectives to describe the basketball. The bees flew around the flowers. This is a nice sentence. You can understand this sentence if you read it. It has all of the things that are supposed to be on a sentence, but it is missing adjectives. Now, I want you to rewrite this sentence using adjectives to describe the bees, since we have 2 nouns here. We have the bees and we have the flowers. So I want you to use adjectives to describe the bees and adjectives to describe the flowers. No, flew is a verb. Here on this sentence, we do not have any adjective. You are supposed, what happened? You are supposed to write the adjective. Okay, the yellow bees. Active bees, okay. Who is writing on the video? Look at their faces. How do these bees look? No. We do not have any adjective here, Huda. You are supposed to add the adjective. Add an adjective to describe the bee and add an adjective to describe the flowers. The nice bees flew around the nice flowers. Excellent, ya Burhan. The cute bees, the happy bees. Excellent, Suhair and Layan. They look happy. Friendly bees. Yellow bees, okay. Now describe the flowers, excellent. Layan, Mila, Ahmed, Tala, excellent. Sanad, excellent. Ali Al-Qayyam, excellent. But usually the adjectives comes before the noun. So we can know that this word is talking about this noun. So we cannot see the bees that are yellow. No, the yellow bees. It's better. Beautiful flowers. Okay. Purple flowers, colorful flowers. Excellent, Burhan and Sidra. Mila and Leanne, excellent. Okay, that's it for this video. Now, the title of our lesson contained two subjects, the adjectives and the articles. We finished with the adjectives already. So adjectives are words that are used to describe the noun, okay? We use to describe the noun. Now, let's talk about the articles. What are articles? Sometimes when we are talking about anything, a sentence, I am eating an apple. I saw a car. I'm sitting in the class. A, here, and the are special kinds of adjectives called articles. Why did I call them adjectives? Because they are identifying the noun. They are giving more meaning to the noun. Kind of description, but not like a description. You can say, I am eating an apple. So I'm talking about this apple. Or I am in a car. They are a kind of adjectives, but we call them articles. Why? Because they are not like words. They are only like a small words or a small group of letters. We have a, an, and the. Those three are, we call them articles, are a kind of adjectives, but we call them articles. Now, when do we use a? When do we use an? And when do we use, sorry, when do we use the? Okay, a and an are used only with the singular nouns. I cannot say I am eating an apples. No, I am eating an apple. We use them only for the singular. Okay, you can never use a or an with a plural noun. They are always with the singular nouns. So a and an are for the singular nouns. Now, how do we use a and how do we use an? If both of them are for the singular nouns, how do I know when do I use a and when do I use an? Now, a is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. If you have a word that starts with a consonant, not a vowel, a consonant, then we use a. We cannot say an cat, no, a cat. Cat here starts with a consonant, which is the C. A bird, not an bird. We have a consonant as a first letter of the noun that comes after the article. If we have a consonant that starts with, if we have a word that starts with a consonant, then we use the article a cat, a bird, a child, a bike, a school, a house, okay, a full cup, a shoes, I'm wearing a shoe, shoe only one, a chair, a table, a flower, any noun that starts with a consonant, we should use a before it. And on the other hand is used for the nouns. Please stop drawing on the page. And on the other side are used before the nouns that start with a vowel. An apple, uh, an apple, an ant, an eagle, an orange. Uh, why do you keep writing? An empty cup, okay? Look, an egg, and what else? Okay, so a is used for the nouns that start with a consonant before the noun that starts with a consonant, and and is used for the nouns before the nouns that start with a vowel. Okay, now the is used before singular or plural nouns. The is used for the singular or for the plural nouns. So, how do I know that I should, on this sentence, use the, not a or an? If I can use it for both singular and plural. If I have a singular noun, why did I choose the, not a, for example, or an? The is used to describe a specific thing. I am talking about this cup, this blue cup in particular. I cannot say I am drinking in a blue cup. No, I'm talking about specific. I'm pointing at the cup and I use a. No, I will say I am using the blue cup. I am living in the house that is for my parents. So the is used for something specific, to describe something specific. The earth, because it is one planet that is the earth. So we cannot say an earth, no, the earth, the shoes, the sun, the air. I'm talking about one thing in particular, specifically. So articles are a group of adjectives. We have three articles, a, an, and the. A and an, both of them are used for the singular nouns. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. An used before the word that begins with a vowel sound. The, on the other hand, is used for both singular and the plural, but to describe something specific. Let's watch a video. Oops, the sound was so loud, sorry. Consonants. A for consonants. Bus or a boy. A zoo, a place. Example now. See, here, this is a stall. It is like when someone is displaying his something to sell on the street, he will place a stall like this one, the wooden thing, okay, to put his items on it. So a stall is singular and it is start with what? A consonant. That's why I use a, not an here. This stall has an umbrella, not a umbrella, an umbrella. So there is an umbrella on the stall. Why did I use the? because I'm talking about this specific stall. I cannot say there is an umbrella on a stall. What stall you're talking about? But if I use the stall, then I'm talking about only one stall, only one specific stall that I can see or that I know. Okay? Finished? It's finished the video. Okay, so did you understand the adjectives and the articles? If you have any question before we start answering the readers and writers notebook, please open the chat and ask me there. Ahmed and Omar, please, everyone can see what you are writing, by the way. If you have any question, please. If you do not, let's open our readers and writers notebook. Open page 320, please. Page 320. Quickly. Okay. This is the page. Okay. An adjective 320. I am reading page 320. An adjective is a word that describes a person, place, or thing. Adjectives tell more about nouns. A, and the are special kinds of adjectives called articles. Adjectives. Some girls wore long, bright skirts. Some is an adjective. Long is an adjective. Bright is an adjective. Articles. A boy wear an awesome shirt to the party. We have a, and the. The articles a and an are used only with singular nouns. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. An is used before words that begins with a vowel. Then the before singular or plural nouns. Write the adjective that describe each underlined noun. Now, from 1 to 5, the underlined nouns for you. They want you to write the adjective that is describing this noun. Like on number 1, many countries have colorful clothing for celebrations. Many here is an adjective, but they did not underline. Many is an adjective, but they did not underline countries, so we cannot use write many. They underline the clothing. What is the adjective that describes the clothing? Colorful, right? Continue, please. Do it by yourselves. Just write it. You can write it or underline it. It's up to you. Writing it is enough. On the second exercise, from 6 to 10, they want you to choose or to circle the correct article. The American Indian wear a or an jacket. Jacket starts with a consonant. J is a consonant, not a vowel. So what do I circle? A or an? I'll give you 2 minutes to answer. Okay, good. The whole page. Yeah, I will show you the answers now because we still have 4 minutes. I got a message. Okay, yeah. Check your answers, please. Check your answers. Check your answers before we leave, because the meeting will be finished in 3 minutes. Good. So we still have a page. It's on the weekly plan already. I'm gonna ask for another English period. I think that every Monday and Tuesday we will need 2 English periods, not one. One is not enough to finish. So I will ask Miss Sana for another English period and she will send a message to your parents to let you know if there is another one. Okay? I'll see you in the second period, inshallah, if there is one. Check your answers. Did you understand? Did you understand the lesson? Was it easy? Yeah, I know that you could tell your parents, but Miss Sana should send them a message as well. Okay, yeah, good. Go to the math class now. I think you have math. Good, good. Adjectives are super fun. I love adjectives myself. Okay, see you again, students. Love you. Bye.